This is a Jay Johnson production.
I'm here trying to freestyle like you, E. Ay, 1,500 on Bitcoin, 7,000 on the bag, ay, 30 in the 4-5. Put them niggas on your ass, ay, just got the head from your mavis. You need to check her like the cab, ay, don't get robbed.
This 50 Strip, and I'm here with Mark Reacts, and we're gonna be pranking Hunter Strip today, talking about his dog getting the dog fight. Dog ear got cut. We was trying to move it and it got cut. We're gonna clean it. Look, we thought of a good idea. We're gonna prank him, act like the dog got in a fight when we was walking it. Just stay tuned, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, 50strip.com. I'll probably put it in the description below.
My channel will be in the description as well as too. Subscribe, get this video out, share with everybody. But this is gonna be a lit ass video. Let's get it. Hey bro, your dog got to a dog fight, bro. Come here, hurry up, nigga, hurry up, that bitch.
Bro.
I swear to God on my life, bro, that bitch bleeding, bro. Look, come here, bro.
Bro, y'all let my fucking dog fight,
Bro,
bro.
no, look, bro, hey, look. Bro, we was walking the dog, bro.
Dog.
Bro, I swear to God, bro, hold on, bro.
Please let my
Bro,
dog
fuck
fight,
it, bro.
bro.
Bro, we pushing this photo up, nigga, that bitch. How the fuck you get mad at us because we walking the dog?
Right.
Fuck is he talking about?
Like, you doing dumb shit, bro.
Bro, alright, bro, but look, you said we can walk the dog.
That's
But
why I let
look,
y'all walk my dog,
when that bitch get it fucked up and shit. Look, the other dog came and had bit him. Or I don't know what to tell you, bro.
Yo, look at all the blood on this nigga's neck.
Bro, you should have taught him better than this bitch saw. Look, cause Tony had him in his hand. I told him, bro. I said, just beat the dog, bro.
Look at all the fucking, that nigga still wagging his kid. Oh, shit, bro.
Dog gets ass whooped out here, bro.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That was a big ass dog. That bitch get shook. You see the motherfucking, look at his head, bro.
Y'all need it, bro. Y'all gotta watch my dog, bro. Y'all gotta watch my dog.
Hell no. I'm not watching that bitch, bro. If that bitch would've won, I would've watched that motherfucker. But no, that bitch got his ass fucked up.
You gotta watch my dog.
I'm not watching that weak ass dog, bro.
Look at my
Bro, this
dog.
nigga dog got his ass shook, bro.
Where got it at?
By a random ass dog.
Where got it?
I don't know. See that dog?
Y'all like my dog?
Huh?
We want your dog.
Bro, look what they did to my dog, bro. Look. Look all the blood on me.
Who did that to him? That dog just came. Look, we walking the bitches and the dog came up. And that bitch got his ass shook. That's what I said. I was mad because this dog got fucking shook up. Look, it was the brown dog. It's a brown dog to her over there to her.
I'm shook, bro. I wasn't with them niggas.
Yo.
Why y'all do that?
That's fucked up. I told him. That bitch true, bro. You might as well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, you better watch that motherfucker.
I ain't never let them niggas touch you no more.
Bro, you can't get mad at us because what happened, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. I don't want you to go that mud ass dog right now, bro.
That sounds crazy, bro. This shit is so cheating. Everybody's fighting that bitch with girls.
Hey, it's a prank. It's a prank.
Hey, Goofy.
It's a prank, bro.
God, in a
Prank war
game.
Bro.
Nigga,
What happened to my dog ears?
No, he cut it on something in the back, though.
nigga, cut it on something. We gonna clean it up,
Prank wars.
nigga.
Prank wars.
Gang in this
Y'all
bitch.
niggas play too much.
Niggas thought dog
Y'all
got
niggas
beat
play-
up, bro. What the fuck, bro? Niggas thought his dog got eaten up in this bitch. We know your dog Clifford. All right. Hope y'all like this prank. Subscribe. All that. What you want to say for the camera? All right.
Hey, get this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Gang.
I'm here trying to freestyle like you, E. Ay, 1,500 on Bitcoin, 7,000 on the bag, ay, 30 in the 4-5. Put them niggas on your ass, ay, just got the head from your main bitch. You need to check her like the cab, ay, don't get robbed with a